Good day, everyone. So today we will learn about antonyms or words with opposite meaning. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Open, close, open, close, sick, healthy, sick, healthy, happy, sad. So the antonym of sad is happy. Cheap, expensive. So the antonym of expensive is cheap. Wet, dry. So the opposite of dry is wet. Below, above, arrogant, humble. So the opposite of humble is arrogant. Left, right. So the opposite of right is left. Down, up. So the opposite of up is down. Thin, thick, thick, thin. Empty, full. So the opposite of empty is full. Hot, cold, hot, cold. Push, pull. So the opposite of push is pull. Few, many. Off, on. So the opposite of on is off, or the antonym. Big, small, clean, dirty, clean, dirty. Good, bad, smooth, rough, long, short, long, short. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless. Bye!